What about it, YouTube? Alright, so this is a steering stabilizer. Billetanium. I think it's decent quality. I haven't heard anybody ever try to put this on a Yamaha Grizzly. So this is a Yamaha Grizzly 700, and I took a big chance because when I was looking underneath here, I thought I could do it, and I think everything's going to be just fine. So it's a 32 millimeter or 1.25 size stem, same as the Raptor and other ATVs. So it's a common size that you can find for different brands of stabilizer. Anyway, that'll fit just fine here, right? And then to get it to work out, you can see where with the wheels straight, I hope you can see, that you have to turn this back just a little bit from being centered with the stem. So this pivot point needs to go back just a hair, okay? And then this mount fits up on this weld just a little bit, but with this particular brand you have sort of a squared out clamp, and it allows it to edge up just a little bit over the bottom portion of the where this clamp, this gusset is welded on, and so you can get your clamp on there just a little bit higher than maybe you first thought, and it just allows for a little more clearance and lines things up, I think, right? So if you can see that, it's up just a little bit on that gusset. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a welded gusset that goes down and beyond this clamp just a bit because it's squared out to allow for it. Okay, so you gotta play with it a little bit. You gotta kind of rough up your mounts and not have them super tight, and then check how the wheel's gonna do. Okay, so like I say, you're gonna end up wanting this back a little bit from being lined up 90 degrees or whatever you call it, straight on with the front of the machine. It's back to allow some more throw. So let's see. Oh, that's nice. That's in the way of the camera. Stupid thing. Alright, anyway, with the wheel turned, here, I'm going to turn the wheel all the way for you. With the wheel turned all the way that way, okay, your plunger moves out of the way of the wheel. That's good news. And if you look at the amount of clearance you got on the stem, it's pretty close, but there is clearance, okay? So we're all the way one way right now, to the right. Now we're going to go to the left. Okay, all the way to the left. There's where your plunger is, but you're away from the tire, and I don't suspect there's going to be a problem with the suspension. I'll come back and tell you if there is. But that's the other way, all the way. Okay? So, as far as I'm concerned, it is very possible and not a problem to put a Raptor steering stabilizer or any ATV stabilizer that has 32 millimeter 1.25 diameter clamp for the steering stem. You should be okay, and I hope that helps, Grizzly owners. God bless.